Winter's here, and staying warm on the road is a must. In today's video, we'll explore the best car heater cigarette lighter options that can keep your car cozy and frost-free. Whether you're dealing with freezing mornings or long winter drives, these portable heaters are a game changer. Let's dive into the top picks for ultimate comfort. Number 1. Witifig Car Heater. Winter driving just got more comfortable with the Witifig Car Heater. This efficient device provides fast heating within minutes, ensuring a warm car interior during chilly mornings. The heater's dual functionality allows it to not only warm up your vehicle but also act as a cooling fan in summer, making it a versatile year-round accessory. Its ability to quickly defrost and demist windshields ensures a clear view, enhancing safety while driving in frosty conditions. Installing the Witifig Car Heater is straightforward. Simply plug it into your car's 12-volt cigarette lighter port and adjust it using the 180 degrees rotating suction holder. Designed with user safety in mind, the heater features an intelligent design that includes a built-in fuse, automatic power-off protection, and anti-voltage mechanisms. Its low energy consumption and quiet operation further add to the convenience. Compatible with a wide range of vehicles, including cars, SUVs, and trucks, this car heater is a reliable travel companion. Whether you're defrosting your windshield in the winter or cooling off in the summer, the Witifig Car Heater is a practical and efficient solution. Number 2. Nugxica Portable Car Heater. Stay warm and safe on the road with the Nugxica Portable Car Heater. This versatile heater quickly removes frost, fog, and mist from windows, ensuring clear visibility for a safer driving experience. With heating and cooling capabilities, it's perfect for both chilly winters and hot summers. Its 360-degree rotatable design allows you to direct warm air exactly where you need it, making it adaptable to your preferences. Installation is simple. Just plug it into your car's 12-volt cigarette lighter socket, and it's ready to use. Built from high-quality ABS and heat-resistant plastic, the Nugxica heater promises durability and reliability. Its pure copper cable ensures safe operation without harming your car's battery or circuit. The high-temperature vent heats up within 30 seconds, providing instant warmth. Additionally, the product includes a customer service guarantee, ensuring peace of mind with your purchase. The Nugxica heater's compact design makes it easy to store and carry, and its robust construction ensures long-term use. Whether you need to defrost your windshield or cool down your vehicle, this portable car heater is an efficient and dependable option for year-round use. It's especially beneficial for drivers who experience extreme weather changes and want a reliable solution. The Nugxica Portable Car Heater is an excellent choice for anyone looking to improve their driving comfort and safety, regardless of the season. Number 3. Xximuim Car Heater. The Xximuim Car Heater is a must-have for drivers seeking a reliable way to combat frosty windows and cold interiors. Featuring a dual-function design, it efficiently heats or cools your car, adapting to any season. Its compact and portable design, along with a versatile suction cup mount, allows you to install it on your windshield, dashboard, or any flat surface without consuming much space. The heater's high-quality ABS construction and pure copper cables ensure durability and safe usage. It is equipped with a built-in fuse and automatic power-off protection, adding an extra layer of safety. The 360 degrees rotation and 60 degrees tilt functionality make it easy to adjust the heater's direction for optimal airflow. Installation is hassle-free. Simply plug it into your car's cigarette lighter socket. Whether you're defrosting or defogging, the Xximuim Car Heater is a dependable solution that ensures a clear windshield and a comfortable cabin. Its quiet operation and low energy consumption make it a practical addition to any vehicle. The Xximuim Car Heater's robust build quality ensures longevity, making it a worthwhile investment for frequent travelers. Additionally, its stylish design seamlessly blends with your car's interior. Overall, this heater is a reliable companion for dealing with extreme weather, offering both comfort and convenience. Number 4. Showvigor Car Heater. Experience year-round comfort with the Showvigor Car Heater. This 2-in-1 device quickly heats your vehicle during winter or provides a natural fan mode for hot summer days. Its upgraded air outlet ensures rapid heating, warming your car interior within minutes and thawing frosty windows for safe driving. Constructed with premium materials, including a pure copper cable, this heater is durable and reliable. Its intelligent design features automatic power-off protection, low noise, and energy efficiency, ensuring safe and convenient usage. The ergonomic handheld design and 12-volt cigarette lighter compatibility make installation and operation straightforward. Additionally, the rotating suction holder allows you to direct airflow precisely where needed. With dual wind speeds, the heater adapts to seasonal needs, delivering warm air in winter and cool air in summer. Whether you're defrosting your windshield or staying cool, the Showvigor Car Heater is a practical and efficient travel companion. Its compact size makes it easy to store, while its robust construction guarantees long-term use. Number 5. Rainyanunite Car Heater. For drivers seeking rapid heating and efficient defrosting, the Rainyanunite Car Heater is an excellent choice. Boasting an upgraded 200 W power output, this heater quickly removes frost, fog, and mist from your car's windows, ensuring clear visibility and safe driving. Its 2-in-1 design features heating and fan modes, making it suitable for both winter and summer use. The ceramic PTC heating technology provides quick and quiet operation, while the ABS material ensures durability and reliability. The heater's 360 degrees rotating base and 90 degrees adjustable handle allow for precise airflow direction, enhancing user comfort. Installation is simple. Attach it using the included double-sided tape and plug it into your car's 12-volt cigarette lighter socket. Whether you're defogging your windshield or circulating air, the Rainyanunite Car Heater delivers efficient performance and versatility. It's an essential accessory for comfortable and safe driving in all seasons. The compact design ensures it doesn't take up much space, making it easy to store when not in use. Additionally, the Rainyanunite Car Heater's robust build ensures long-lasting performance, giving you value for your investment. Its high power output and user-friendly design make it a reliable choice for combating extreme weather conditions. Whether you're preparing for icy mornings or staying cool during hot summer drives, this car heater is a dependable and efficient solution. It's a must-have for any driver looking to enhance their travel experience. If you enjoy this video, like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting videos like this.